Namaskaram and hello everyone. Today I am here again to remind you about a forgotten fruit of India. This fruit is very rich in nutrients. It's a power punch of nutrients and is loaded with vitamins. It has vitamin B1, B2, thiamine, riboflavin, niacin and many of the vitamins. That is why it is very good for our health. It is rich in antioxidants and it has anti-inflammatory and laxative properties. Because of its nutritional benefits and therapeutic values, it is used in naturopathy for their patients over thousands of years. It is also used in many of the Ayurvedic preparations like Kashayam, Arishtam and Gutika, that is tablet form. This particular fruit is very rich in many of the nutrients, especially minerals like calcium and potassium. That's why it is very good for many systems of our body. So today I am here to tell you about the nutritional benefits of this fruit and also teach you how to make the juice out of this wonderful fruit. It is an instant energy booster. It gives you energy instantly, especially on sunny days like these days. It is very refreshing to drink this juice and it is an instant coolant also. So that's why it is available in summer. Though it is available in many parts of India, it is neglected and forgotten. That's why I am here to tell you about the importance of this fruit. It is mostly used in the northern and eastern part of India, especially afternoon 2 o'clock juice of this particular fruit is provided to all the patients of all the naturopathy centers throughout India. Before going in detail about the nutritional benefits of this fruit and how to make the juice out of it, like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon. See, today we are blessed with 3 fruits. You can see how big they are. It is also called as wood apple in English because the shell of this fruit is very hard. It is called as bale in Hindi, bilva phalam in Sanskrit, bilvam or maredu in Telugu and wood apple in English. You can see the hard cover, that's why it's called as wood apple, but don't get confused. There is also one other fruit. In Telugu it is called as velagapandu, that is also called as wood apple. So this is how the fruit looks. See, it has fallen from our tree and it has broken. Otherwise it is very hard and you need any hard object to hit and break it open. Bale fruit is highly nutritious. 100 grams of the pulp contains 1.8 grams of proteins, 31.8 grams of carbohydrates, 55 micrograms of vitamin A, 60 milligrams of vitamin C, 0.13 milligrams of thiamine, 1.19 milligrams of riboflavin, 1.1 milligrams of niacin, 55 micrograms of carotene, 85 milligrams of calcium, 600 milligrams of potassium, 2.9 grams of fiber and 61.5 grams of water. So you can see that it is highly rich in potassium, fiber, water and calcium also. This bale fruit is very effective in curing gastric ulcers and treating the diabetes. Because of its laxative properties, it prevents constipation and its antifungal components keeps infections at bay. It is very effective and beneficial in treating tuberculosis, hepatitis, ulcers and digestive problems. As it is rich in carbohydrates, it keeps a check on cholesterol level, helps brain cells to work better. As it is rich in potassium, it is excellent for hypertensives. It prevents arteries from hardening, hence reduces the strokes and prevents the heart ailments. Increased potassium helps to eliminate sodium through urine, hence it reduces edema and lowers the blood pressure also. It also purifies the blood and removes the toxins and boosts overall immunity of the body. As it is rich in calcium, it helps in preventing osteoporosis. It helps in controlling the loss of blood in injuries. As being rich in iron, it purifies blood, increases the RBCs and HB in blood. It is extremely beneficial in anemic patients. It is rich in vitamin A, B and C. That's why it makes bale fruit the number one choice among fruits in treating eye problems, digestive problems, heart ailments, skin diseases. High content of phytochemicals such as flavonoids attribute to the antioxidative properties, making it a potent fruit against heart, liver ailments, and it reduces the high cholesterol. It has many therapeutic benefits like it is used in management of diarrhea and its antibacterial and antiparasitic properties and presence of tannins in bale helps in fighting against infection called Shigellosis, which actually is the main cause for diarrhea. Bale juice with pinch of rock salt and pepper is excellent for constipation. Cures scurvy in no time. So you can see the tree over here. This is how the tree looks in spring and is green again in summer. Break the shell with any hard object and see, look at the pulp, how beautiful and how delicious it looks. Split it open and scoop the entire content with a spoon. 2 glasses of water to this pulp and leave it for an hour. After an hour you can see that it gets mixed with water easily and now it's ready to filter. Filter the pulp completely. If required, keep adding little amount of water and use a spoon for smashing. See, you can see only 1 spoonful of fiber and seeds are left over. All the pulp gets into the juice. It's very tasty and refreshing and colorful also. So now the bale juice is ready to drink. Isn't it very easy and quick to prepare? You can drink this juice just like that, and you can also drink this juice with 1 or 2 spoons of honey. Adding mishri is the best option actually. And diabetics can add a pinch of rock salt and pepper instead of mishri and honey. After knowing all these health and nutritional benefits of bale fruit and bale juice, I am sure you will try it once. So don't forget to try this nutritious and vitamin rich bale juice to get all the health benefits. Be healthy and happy. Thank you.